Anime edits are everywhere right now. So in this video, I am sharing the top 5 trending anime edit presets for light motion. These presets are smooth, stylish and perfect for creating clean anime edits in just few clicks. I spend a lot of time in making this palette. So before the preview starts, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, now let's watch the preview.
Я позволю! Нет. Это не твоя территория, Кагами.
So that was the top 5 anime edit preset pack. If you want more presets and editing resources, make sure to join my Telegram channel, link in the description. Like the video and subscribe for more editing content. Thanks for watching.